This is Trader Sam's Jungle River Communications Company. Your message can be sent via our swinging vine relay system, or you may want to consider our talking drum service, which is just a beat faster. But for the fastest service, just wait for the dial tone.
Aloha, this is the operator for Uncharted South Seas Islands. I'm sorry, we have been unable to locate the Swiss Family Robinsons. If you wish to call another treehouse, please wait for the dial tone. Mahalo.
This is the Adventureland operator. Please wait a moment while I put through a trunk call from a party in the Congo. Go ahead, please. Thank you for waiting. Here's your dial tone. This is the Colonial Outpost operator. The recent monsoon took out our Schweitzer Falls relay station. Quite the tragedy, really. It created a shortage of lines in the area, but we're ready for your call now.
This is the Temple of the Forbidden Eye operator. If you have recently visited the Chamber of Earthly Riches, please deposit 500,000 rupees for the first 3 minutes. Other callers may merely wait for the dial tone. We are sorry for the delay. The Lost Delta switchboard has been flooded with calls due to the reports of tourists missing inside the Temple of the Forbidden Eye. But we are ready for your call now.